If water starts spraying everywhere, whether under a sink, in the laundry room, or the bathroom, you need to stop what you are doing and fix it immediately. The best sealant for water leaks depends on the type of leak and the material you need to seal. We have selected and reviewed the best sealant for water leaks for you. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in description. Number 1. Liquid Rubber Waterproof Sealant. It provides a durable and waterproof barrier to prevent leaks, as it can be used on various surfaces, including metal, wood, concrete, and more. It is suitable for applications both inside the home and outside, while its water-based formula makes it environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and easy to clean up with water. It can be easily applied using a brush, roller or sprayer, which makes it user-friendly for DIY projects. It remains flexible after drying, which helps to prevent cracking and peeling due to temperature changes and surface movement. It is ideal for patching leaks and sealing seams and joints on flat and sloped roofs. Number 2. Gorilla Waterproof Sealant Spray. It is a flexible and rubberized coating, which seals out water, air and moisture to stop and prevent leaks. Its applicator nozzle delivers a controlled spray pattern, which provides a clean and even coat every time. Once applied, its self-leveling formula smoothly covers small gaps and cracks, while ensuring a watertight seal. Its rubberized coating is temperature and UV resistant, which results in lasting repairs after drying. It works with both latex and oil-based paints, as it can be used on various surfaces such as roofs, gutters, skylights, flashing, chimneys, and more. Number 3. JB Weld Waterweld Epoxy Putty Stick. It is a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick, which cures underwater and is ideal for repairing plumbing, fuel tanks, tubs and showers, drains, pool, and more. After kneading the 2-part formula together by hand, it takes 25 minutes to set and cures in 1 hour. It provides a lap shear strength of 1,300 psi and withstands continuous temperatures up to 300 Fahrenheit and intermittent temperatures of 350 Fahrenheit. It is chemical resistant against petroleum, hydraulic fluids, and other chemicals when fully cured. It delivers superior performance, quality, and results for the world's strongest bond. Number 4. GE Advanced Silicone Caulk. Its 100% silicone formula offers ultimate protection against water damage, while providing a reliable seal in areas prone to consistent water exposure. It offers 10 years mold-free product protection, while delivering 40% more flexibility. It provides 5 times stronger adhesion, as it stays permanently flexible with a high-performing, durable seal, and is ready for water exposure in as little as 30 minutes. It withstands extreme expansion and contraction associated with temperature fluctuations. It adheres to most metals, plastics, and woods, as it resists stains from common household substances, while maintaining a clean and attractive appearance. Number 5. RectiSeal True Blue Pipe Thread Sealant. It is formulated to provide a reliable seal on pipe threads, while preventing leaks. It remains flexible and does not harden or crack over time, which ensures a durable seal. It is suitable for high-pressure systems, which provides a strong and secure seal, while withstanding a wide range of temperatures, making it suitable for various applications. It is resistant to most common chemicals, oils, and gases, as it ensures versatility in different environments. It is safe for use in potable water systems, compliant with health and safety standards.